Teeny Tiny Tardigrades by Reina from Highlights. Words to know. As you read, look inside, around, and beyond these words to figure out what they mean. Radiation, survive, thrive, function. What would you say if someone asked you to name Earth's toughest survivor? Camels can go a week without drinking. A cockroach can survive more radiation than a person. But there is a teeny tiny creature that can go without food or water for years. It is so small that it can be seen only under a microscope. Its real name is tardigrade. Most people call it a water bear. Surviving everything. Water bears look like soft, squishy bugs. People call them bears because they walk the way bears do. Most water bears are smaller than the period at the end of this sentence. Don't let their size fool you. They are found in places that would kill most living things. Some water bears survive in the boiling water found in hot springs. Others live miles below the ocean surface. They survive with tons of water pressing down on them. Not all water bears live in extreme places. They can be found in parks, forests, and gardens. They thrive in damp, woody areas where mosses and other plant life grow. Many feed by sucking juices out of plants. Others eat creatures that are smaller than they are. This photograph of a water bear was taken with a microscope. A microscope is a tool that lets you see tiny objects or creatures. Drying up. Water bears must have water to stay active. It helps them move and breathe. It helps them eat, move, and breathe. So what happens when the water around one of these tiny creatures dries up? First, it pulls in its 8 legs. Then it curls its body into a barrel shape called a tun. It loses 99% of its water. Then every single life function of the water bear stops. When conditions get better, the water bear stretches its little legs and starts moving and eating again. Water bears can survive the extreme cold and radiation of outer space. Scientists sent some water bears into space as part of an unmanned mission. They came back fine. Not so long ago, most scientists believed life did not exist beyond Earth. Now, many think it is possible. If water bears can survive a visit to outer space, who knows what other creatures might live there? Thousands of water bears spent more than a week in space before they returned to Earth.